Okay, welcome back. Welcome back. I didn't post yesterday because I was stuck in Seaside Mall, Cebu, Philippines. I was locked in. I was I was waiting for somebody at past 10 p.m. inside, and then I know they text me, and they were waiting outside. So yeah, they were outside while I was inside, and the guards had locked. Everybody had locked the gate. Uh, so yeah, I was walking about, and then they told me where to go, and I had to go to. I was waiting at City Wing. It's called their wings at Seaside. You got different wings because it's so big. I was at waiting at City Wing for the person, and told me to go to Mountain Wing. So I went to Mountain Wing. I went out down the thing, and the person that I was meeting went around the other way. So we were basically going the opposite direction to each other. And I was like, "What's going on?" And then eventually we sorted it out. I met up. Yeah, I got to about 12:30. Got to Seaside about 12:30, and yeah, stayed there for about 10 hours. Yeah, like just going all around. I got my hair cut and that. Got my hair cut. Done the massage chair. I went into the massage chair for an hour, 200 pesos, which is about a couple of quid, which is not bad for an hour. Sitting in the massage chairs, it broke my back sitting there for that long. It broke my back. But yeah, I didn't post yesterday. By the time I got back and finished everything, it was about 12:30. So I was like, never mind. I recorded a video, but I noticed it was 12:30 already the next day. So I was like, I'll just leave it. I'll just do this today. And so I had 4 loads of laundry to do. So today today I went into the laundry. It's literally 30 seconds away from a hotel that I'm staying in right now. So went there, 4 loads, 750 pesos. That's like 10 UK pounds. Oh yeah, I went again to Seaside to get. I'll put this down. Hopefully it's alright. To get let me see this here. To get this Cebuano English to Cebuano book from the National Bookstore. So hopefully I'll be learning. More Cebuano. I've been speaking to people in Cebuano, Bisaya, and I can sort of get around. Obviously, I would like to become a pro, and I'll fully be able to get around. That's the goal. But yeah, when I had KFC. Oh yeah, a KFC story. So I was in KFC and got my food, and I dropped. Obviously, the Coke is not in a cup. It's in just like a glass, plastic glass, and with no lid. So I put the tray down, and it slid. The Coke slid, and it slid against the tray, and it went everywhere, and everybody was looking at me. And I was like, oh, sorry. Luckily, it's alright. They gave me a new one instantly, a new Coke instantly, so that was alright. But yeah, I'd smashed the Coke everywhere. And the Coke literally went everywhere. Oh man, so embarrassed. But yeah, went around, got the Bisaya book, came back here, and then slept for a little bit. I was tired, man. So kapoy. Don't know why lately I've been feeling tired. I need to drink more water and have better food. sort my diet and food out. Yeah, and water. Drink a lot more water and vitamins as well. I need to get vitamins. And then I had a look at the MMA store, Cebu MMA store, and I got a few feelers. I know where I'm gonna go next. Also, I'm gonna message my coach from the boxing gym. See if he knows anybody from that does MMA or anything. And yeah, man, I'm in here chilling now. I just done a little workout, burpees, shadow boxing. I'm gonna upload this video. Whilst it's uploading, I'm gonna read a little bit of Cebuano, try and learn, and then later I gotta go to Seaside again to get the person from their work, and then come back here and chill. And then tomorrow I'm moving in to the person's that I'm staying with, to the person's room. So they're renting a room, and I'm gonna stay with them. And then there's a BJJ gym around the corner. Yeah, BJJ gym around the corner. I'm gonna go there as well. Get my grappling sorted. But yeah. And that is, oh yeah, I gotta get foam tomorrow as well. I gotta get foam. I gotta sleep on the floor in this room, but I'll get new double foam. And then, oh yeah, Tron, the new Tron movie. Go watch the new Tron movie. It should be alright. But yeah, bow. I will video again tomorrow. Peace.